When you are having pile, when you are having hemorrhoid, inflammation of the veins around your rectal region, around your anal region, you are having pains while stooling, what you should start doing is not to start taking bread, to start taking noodles, spaghetti, and so many of them, because that's one of the practice a lot of people do. You might not even know that that is what is increasing your chances of having that pile. Some people might think it's a spiritual problem, cancer, but it's not cancer. In this video, we're going to be talking about what is pile, what causes pile, how pile affects your body, and what you can use to manage pile. Now, pile is a condition that happens when the veins around your rectal region, around your anus, get inflamed. And what makes them to get inflamed? The first thing that can make them to get inflamed is the kind of diet you consume. When you consume diets that are low in fiber, then you might experience pile. Now, fibers are those things that add up to the bulk of your stool. They're the one that makes your stool to come out so easy, adding up to the bulk of your stool. And in that case, you will not experience pile. Fiber is also what helps in maintaining the health of your gut. The places where stool passes, the place where food passes throughout your body is what we call the gut. Now, when you're not taking fiber, it means the health of that place will not be maintained. And in that case, you will be at high risk of having pile. Now, there are people that might be consuming diets like rice, white rice, pastas, noodles every now and then. Indomie is your favorite. In that case, you'll be experiencing pile because they don't contain enough fiber. And when you are not consuming enough fiber, you should know you'll be at high risk of having pile. If you are experiencing diarrhea every now and then, the muscles and the veins around your rectal region, the place where stool pass out, will be hyperstimulated. And in that case, you experience pile, you'll be having difficulty in stooling. So what should you do in case you're experiencing pile? This is one of the major questions a lot of people will always keep asking. Since you have known what is fiber now, what should you do? If you're a kind of person that is taking diet that don't contain enough fiber, what you should do is to start taking diets that contain fiber. Or if you can't stop, you feel Indomie is your favorite, pasta is your favorite, and in that case, you can't stop taking them, what you should do is you start taking other diets that contain fiber. Example of them is fruits. Start consuming fruit every now and then. Fruits like orange, banana, almond, berries, they contain high fiber. And in that case, you will not experience pile. If you're a kind of person that is also consuming those kind of diet and you feel fruit is not close to you, you can start taking vegetables. Vegetables like spinach, cabbage, and so many of them, they contain high fiber. And in that case, you will not experience pile. So when you are having pile, that should not be the best time. You should start taking Coke, start taking Fanta, start taking soda drinks, because this can increase your chances of having pile, and it can even increase the severity of your pile. So if you find this video very helpful, please do well to share it to as many people as you can, and don't forget to follow my page so you can get more amazing videos like this. And if you have questions you want to ask, please do well to drop them in the comment section, and I'll be right there to respond to them as soon as possible. And I'll see you next time.